Pancake Day! My name is Fafa and welcome to my Creative African Cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. Now today, what have I got for you? Agbeli Kaklo Pancakes. Straight to the point. It's gluten-free, equally tasty, and you know that whole flavour of Agbeli Kaklo, but in a pancake form? Absolutely, I thought about this. And I served it with my homemade yogurt. Another recipe that will be coming up. I know, right? Yes. I told you 2019 get cherry yet the back must be now the 2019 get cherry yet the back levels. Okay.
So to a bowl, add half a cup of your tapioca starch, which is readily available in most Asian shops. To that, also measure half a cup of your desiccated coconut. That is also readily available in most supermarkets and in Asian shops as well. Now, these are the main elements that do make Agbeli Kaklo. And of course, I'm adding my own little twist. I've got my little red chilies that I've sliced, but I'll be adding some more later, don't you worry. I'm mixing everything together till it's well combined, as I always say. Now, to that, I'm going to melt 1 tablespoonful of my coconut oil because I'm intensifying that coconutty flavor. And that's it. I'm just adding that and I'm just going to mix it till I have that breadcrumb consistency. That should take you about 40 seconds. It shouldn't take you that long. Now, of course, because I'm using the desiccated coconut, when you add the coconut oil, it intensifies it. But equally, if you use your fresh coconut, just grate it and add to it. To this mixture, I'm adding 1 egg, yes. And I've also blended some onions with a bit of water. And I'm going to be adding that to my mixture. So yet again, I'm taking away the milk from it and I'm just using these elements. I'm going to mix everything together and of course add your salt to taste and mix it till it's well combined. You do need to activate your bicep a little bit. No, I'm kidding. No, you don't. You just mix in this, but I just want it to be nice and fluffy. Now, what I'm going to do once I actually mix this is leave this to rest for at least about 30 minutes. That would just allow the infusion to take place. After 30 minutes, your mixture would look a little bit thicker because it's absorbed all that moisture and that infusion has taken place. Now, I have finely diced some red onions and I'm adding that to my mixture. You can use your normal white onions. There are no restrictions whatsoever. Now, talking about color, I'm also going to be adding some red chilies. These are mild red chilies. For the color and just for that little kick in the background, you know what I mean? And I absolutely love that because it would leave this red speck in my pancake and it would just look beautiful. You see, food has to be appetizing to the eye, the mouth has to water, definitely. You have to savor every flavor and every infusion that's taking place here. Now, this is a flavor that you'll be familiar with because if you've ever had Agbeli Kaklo, when you taste this, you go like, oh my gosh, I know, it's just done in a slightly different way. But really and truly, if you think about it, all the elements are there. You've got the cassava, you've got the coconut, yes, you've got the onion in there. Recently, my playlist has changed to the good old classics. A friend of mine visited and played a few classics and I was hooked. I was like, how come I forgot about this? You know, the Amachida days right through to Pat Thomas and stuff like that, yes. So when you find me dancing all the time, that's what it is. I'm cooking and my playlist is on. Anyway, so my coconut oil has melted and to that I'm going to scoop half a ladle of my mixture. Now, this is more of a personal preference. If you want a larger one, you can scoop the whole ladle and spread it evenly. But with this portion, I like it. So, now I'm going to be frying this for about 3 minutes on each side. Now, you can see that your mixture is cooking because it gets darker and it's getting crisper at the bottom, as you can see here. You know, yet again, I'm cooking on a medium to low heat because, as I always say, if you burn it, you can come back from it. But you can maintain and regulate the heat, and that just allows you a crispy, bottom pancake, but it's nice and moist in the middle as well. So I think the second one is ready for me to turn. I do need to do some tossing today, don't you think? So yes, I've got to show, I can do this. Okay. But you can see it's nice and crispy and, you know, it's moist. You can see that it's nice and moist in the middle, just so. So yeah, after 3 minutes on each side or 4 minutes, depending on how dark you want it, it's ready. And here I am, I'm serving this and it's nice and hot and just beautiful. You know, this is not any other food though. But now I'm going to be showing off. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to flip this. Yes. It's pancake day, of course. You know, it's the most decent thing a chef could do. Like you just do the first time round, yeah? No, it didn't work, did it?
So do you think I can turn this round? Yes? This is quite tricky. What if it doesn't work? It will work. Of course, it's in Dubai Fafa. Here, put your money where your mouth is. It's gone. Another one. Okay. Now I'm going to show off. Okay. We're showing off now.
I think the subtlety of my statement is, you know, if you fail, get up and try again. Try and try again. Because once you get it right, you know exactly what to do. You keep on doing it over and over and over again till you get that right consistency. As I always say, this is not any other food. This is Ndudu by Fafa. Look at the shenanigans. I've just drizzled with some spring onions and some of the red peppers or chilies
Oh my yogurt. I'm so excited about the yogurt. I think I'm eating with everything. It's just so nice and it's fluffy. See?
So I made my own yogurt, guys. Like seriously, it was the best. This is like my first experience and it really was perfect. It was just delicate, not too strong, but just so. And it complemented my Agbeli Kaklo Pancake to the T. It was just like, what?
This is the exciting part because what I'm just going to do is just roll it like that. It's almost like a sandwich. Look, you can see the yogurt in there. Oh, that's nice.
So here I've made this beautiful onion marmalade, which is infused with some coconut and some chilies and spring onions. And I've just scooped my yogurt on top and I drizzled a little bit of honey on there. Charlie.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode and you're definitely inspired to try it because it's a definite must try. Now, if this is your first time, you're welcome and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button if you haven't done so yet. What that means is each time that I do upload a video, you're notified of it, so it means you do not miss a thing. You know what I'm saying? And my notification gang, girls and boys, darling, hey, me love you. You know that love is just too deep. Like, you know what I mean? Yes, straight. Thank you very much for all the support, the likes, the comments. I appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah.
Naturally, I will be leaving the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog in ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudu by Fafa, so do pass by and say hi.
Until next time, take care of you, be nice, be beautiful, be a gorgeous self. And if you're ever going to change for yourself, because love comes from within. Once you love yourself and you appreciate yourself more, it's easier for everybody else to love you just the way you are.